Hello there. Are you frustrated with your DoorDash gift card not working as expected? If you're eager to learn how to fix DoorDash gift card error and start enjoying your meals without any hiccups, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore several methods to help you rectify those pesky errors and get back to ordering your favorite dishes stress-free. Step 1. Verify the gift card balance. Before diving into troubleshooting, the first step is to verify your gift card balance. Visit the DoorDash website or app. Go to your account settings and navigate to the gift card section. Enter the card details and check if the balance aligns with your expectations. If the balance appears zero or is lower than expected, contact the gift card provider or the person who gave it to you to ensure it has been activated and loaded correctly. Step 2. Double check gift card entry. Errors often stem from simple mistakes during the entry process. Ensure that the gift card number and PIN, if required, are entered accurately. Look out for common errors such as mistaking O for 0 or I for 1. Typing accurately can save you the trouble of unnecessary troubleshooting steps. Step 3. Check for account compatibility. Not all DoorDash accounts might support gift card usage, or there might be restrictions based on your location. Verify that your account type allows the usage of gift cards and that the card is valid in your region. Some cards are region-specific and may not work in different countries. Step 4. Update the DoorDash app. Outdated app versions can often cause glitches, including gift card errors. Ensure your DoorDash app is up to date by visiting the Apple Store. Ensure your DoorDash app is up to date by visiting the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and checking for updates. After updating, try redeeming your gift card again to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Clear app cache or reinstall app. If the error continues, try clearing the app cache. On most devices, you can do this by going to your device's settings, selecting the DoorDash app, and choosing the option to clear cache. If this doesn't resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the DoorDash app. A fresh installation can sometimes resolve persistent errors that other methods might miss. Step 6. Contact DoorDash support. When all else fails, reaching out to DoorDash support directly is your best bet. Visit the DoorDash Help Center or use the in-app customer support feature to report your specific issue. Provide them with comprehensive details about the error, including any error messages and steps you've already taken to resolve it. The support team can offer specialized assistance to help you get your gift card working. Step 7. Monitor for future updates. The tech and user experience teams at DoorDash frequently release updates to improve app functions and fix known bugs. Stay informed by regularly checking for app updates and any announcements from DoorDash regarding gift card functionality. Fixing a DoorDash gift card error can be a breeze if you follow the right steps. Whether it's a balance issue, entry mistake, or a problem with the app itself, our guide has you covered. Remember to contact customer support if self-troubleshooting doesn't yield results. By following these steps, you'll be back to enjoying delicious meals in no time. Bon appetit and happy ordering.